Hey guys, welcome to Baking with the Birders. We're listening to Dvořák's string quartet. First up, in making bagels, we're adding water. I forgot 100 milligrams. Next, we're adding sugar and active dry yeast, and then bread flour. Right now, we're making the mash. The mash is important for flavor, to let it all ferment a little bit. So here we're getting exactly 325 grams of flour. Now we're adding the flour in. It's important to sift it to make sure there's no chunks. So here I'm sifting it. Nice and sifted. See, now we're mixing it. And after we mix it, we're gonna let it sit for 3 hours. See all those bubbles? That's what we're looking for. Good bubbles. Alright, now we're adding the rest of the dough. We're gonna have another 325 grams of bread flour. Then we're gonna add some malt powder. It's important that it's diastic. Gotta keep those enzymes active, make it all chewy and stuff. Now we're gonna add some salt. It's important to have measurements exact in baking, so make sure you pay attention to the gram amounts. 25 grams of salt. Now we're going to mix it all together. Now this, if you have a stand mixer, it's ideal, but you now have to knead it for 20 minutes. So this is sped up and cut down a little bit. And also, I realized that I added 200 and something grams of water instead of 300 and something grams of water. So you'll see me adding water in here. Now we're going to let this loaf sit for 10 minutes. You'll see it's risen to about double its size. We're now going to measure it all out in equal portions. I believe I did 120 or 125 grams each. I had to cut this clip short because my cat started fighting. This is the topping I prepped, some cheese. It's got some seasonings on it, some garlic, some herbs. Letting it cook in there. Waiting for it to be a little bit crispy. Here's the cheese topping. Partially cooked, ready to be cut and put on the bagels once they're boiled. It's looking good, a little bit crispy, but not fully cooked. Here are the bagels. They are waiting to be risen, all shaped out and stuff. Alright, here we've got barley malt syrup and baking soda. It's got to be at a rolling boil. And here we've got our risen bagels. One of them's a little bit small. That was just the last one. Alright, we're at a rolling boil. Now we're going to put them in the boiling water 4 at a time, and then it's important to add your toppings right after it gets out of the boil and then put it right in the oven. I believe it was 425 degrees. Only do 4 at a time in the oven just so they don't flatten out too much before you get them in there. We're going to do 1 minute on each side boiling. Take them out. We're adding everything bagel seasoning on these 4. And then the cheese will go on the other 4. That's our little one. And a little bit of flaky salt. Alright, now these boys are going into the oven. About 25 minutes. You can see the cheese ones on the top rack. Just until they're like nice and golden brown. Alright, here's our final product. Both types. Been pretty good. They're a little bit flat, but I think if I let them risen a little bit longer, they would be better. Here's me failing to cut it evenly, but just show you guys the inside. It's pretty good. Alright, birders, thanks for watching Baking with the Birders. This was my first attempt on bagels. Let me know if you want to see me perfecting the recipe or other baking experiments. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.